On Tuesday, 56-year-old Bryan Edwin Hill appeared before District Judge Jay Winward for sentencing on one count of first-degree murder. The case was filed in connection with an incident reported on August 5th of last year, when Hurricane City police officers were dispatched to a shots-fired call at the Eagles Lodge on East 800 North in Hurricane, shortly after 11 p.m. They arrived to find the victim, 41-year-old Sean Moore, a Hurricane resident, dead from a gunshot wound to the chest. And later, Hill was identified as a shooter by multiple witnesses at the scene. Many of Moore's family members spoke before a packed courtroom on Tuesday, describing the loss that has devastated the large extended family. During the hearing, prosecutor Jerry Jager said this.
I just point out that it's absolutely clear that Sean Moore was a good man. And I actually say was, but it should say is, because as the court has pointed out, if you have faith, which you should have faith, you will know that Sean Moore is still here. As the court knows, our system is an imperfect justice. Perfect justice, we would be able to return Sean. We cannot do that. So all we can ask for is imperfect justice. In doing that, I'm asking the court to sentence the defendant to 15 years to life.
Defense attorney Ryan Stout also addressed the court.
Mr. Hill has elected not to make a statement, but I do want to let the court know of something he said to me some time ago. He said, "I wish I didn't do what I did that night. And I just want to apologize to the family, but there are no words. And I don't want to say anything because nothing I could say would dignify their pain." He has not fought this case in any way. And with that, Your Honor, he's prepared to accept the court sentence.
Judge Winward had this to say prior to rendering his ruling.
I can't say anything to bring Sean back, but I can see Sean here. I can see him in all of you, and his memory will live, and his memory will grow with all these wonderful people. Nobody in here had pitchforks and anger towards Mr. Hill, which is to your credit. Miss Jackie, thank you. You've raised some remarkable people and a remarkable son. Out of tragedy is born greatness, and there will be greatness coming out of this room. Mr. Hill, I would have you turn around, but like you said, you looking at these people wouldn't dignify their pain. Your punishment is going to be dying in prison, and you'll know that your potential ends in prison, whereas Mr. Moore's gets to live on in this life. As it should. It's the retribution that you deserve. Based on your conviction, I sentence you to 15 years to life in the Utah State Prison. You're remanded to the prison right now.
This is Cody Blowers reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.